Hey, gadget lovers. Many beginners, the world of telescopes feels complicated and expensive, leaving them with underwhelming views and a dusty gadget in the corner. The truth is, the right telescope can unlock the universe from your backyard, and you don't need to be an expert or spend a fortune. Today, we're cutting through the confusion to bring you the top 5 telescopes on Amazon that will give you stunning celestial views without the headache. And remember, using the links in the description below supports our channel at no extra cost to you and gets you direct access to the latest Amazon prices and discounts. Let's explore. Number 5. The Gskyer 70mm AZ Refractor Telescope. We're starting our celestial journey with a fantastic entry point, the Gskyer 70mm Aperture Telescope. This model is a favorite for a reason, especially for kids and absolute beginners. Its core strength lies in its 70mm aperture and 400mm focal length. In simple terms, that larger lens captures a good amount of light, which means brighter and clearer images of the moon and planets. It comes fully equipped with 2 eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens, which together can boost your magnification up to a powerful 120x. You'll also get a 5x24 finder scope to help you locate objects in the sky much more easily than just pointing the main tube. A major bonus for the modern stargazer is the included smartphone adapter and wireless remote. This lets you attach your phone to the eyepiece so you can share the view on screen or even capture simple images of what you're seeing, all without shaking the telescope. With an adjustable tripod and a convenient carry bag, it's a complete travel-ready kit. For its price, often under $70, the Gskyer delivers superior optics and essential accessories, making it the perfect first step into astronomy. Number 4. The ToyerBee 70mm Aperture Refractor Telescope. Next up, holding strong at number 4 is another excellent beginner refractor, the ToyerBee 70mm Telescope. It shares a similar aperture with our 5th pick, but often comes in at a very compelling price point. Where it stands out is in its straightforward approach to magnification. It comes with H20mm and H6mm eyepieces, plus that essential 3x Barlow lens, giving you a clear magnification range from 15x all the way up to 150x. This versatility allows you to start with wide, easy-to-find views of the moon and then zoom in for more detailed observations. The fully multi-coated optics enhance image brightness and clarity, a key feature for seeing finer details. Like the Gskyer, it doesn't leave you hanging in the smartphone era. It includes a phone adapter and a wireless remote for hands-free photography. Its adjustable aluminum tripod is sturdy and can extend to a comfortable viewing height. For adults and kids who want a no-nonsense portable telescope that promises clear views of the planets and the moon right out of the box, the ToyerBee is a reliable and highly rated choice that offers tremendous value. Number 3. The Econ 80mm Aperture. Travel telescope moving into our top 3, we see a significant step up in light-gathering power with the Econ 80mm Aperture Refractor. That extra 10 millimeters of aperture over a 70mm model might not sound like much, but it makes a noticeable difference in image brightness and detail, especially on deep sky objects like star clusters and nebulae. With a 600mm focal length, this telescope offers a longer reach, providing higher native magnification with its included eyepieces for better planetary views. A standout feature on this model is its rough adjustment and positioning gimbal mount with a scale. This makes pointing the telescope at specific areas of the sky much smoother and more intuitive than basic friction mounts, reducing frustration when you're trying to track an object. It's packaged as a complete travel telescope, coming with a backpack for easy transport to darker skies. You get 2 eyepieces, K20mm and K9mm, a 5x24 finder scope, and the now standard smartphone adapter. For the beginner who is getting more serious and wants clearer, brighter images with a more user-friendly mount, the Econ 80mm strikes an impressive balance between performance, portability, and price. Number 2. The Coolpte 90mm Vertisteel Azimuth Telescope. For our runner-up spot, we have a telescope that brings professional-grade features to the enthusiast and serious beginner, the Gskyer 90mm Aperture Telescope. This is where your views take a dramatic leap. The 90mm fully multi-coated lens gathers over 60% more light than a 70mm telescope, resulting in strikingly bright and detailed images. With a 700mm focal length and the included Kellner eyepieces, K25mm and K10mm, plus a 3 times Barlow lens, you have 9 magnification combinations from 28 times, 4 wide-field sweeps up to 210 times for scrutinizing lunar craters and planetary disks. The true game-changer here is the Vertisteel AZ slow-motion mount. Unlike basic mounts where you manually push and pull the tube, this features dual micro-adjustment knobs. Once you've roughly pointed the telescope, you use these fine knobs to smoothly and precisely track objects across the sky without any jarring movements, a feature that makes observing infinitely more enjoyable. It also includes a robust stainless steel tripod, a wireless remote for phone photography, and a padded carry bag. If you're an astronomy enthusiast or a dedicated beginner ready for breathtaking high-power views with a mount that performs like those on much more expensive scopes, the Gskyer 90mm is an exceptional investment. Number 1. The Celestron StarSense Explorer DX130AZ. And now our top pick for the best telescope that truly revolutionizes the beginner experience, the Celestron StarSense Explorer DX130AZ. This isn't just a telescope, it's a guided tour of the universe powered by your smartphone. The heart of the system is the patented StarSense technology. You dock your phone into the unique bracket, launch the app, and it uses sky recognition to analyze the stars above and pinpoint exactly where your telescope is pointing. No more guessing or star hopping. The app then shows you an on-screen arrow. Simply move the telescope until the arrow reaches your target, and when the circle turns green, look through the eyepiece. The object is right there. It's a genuine game-changer. The optical power matches the smart tech. It's a 130mm Newtonian reflector, which means a massive 5-inch aperture that gathers over 3 times the light of a 70mm telescope. This reveals not just the moon and planets in stunning detail, but also deep sky wonders like the Orion Nebula and Andromeda Galaxy with impressive clarity. It comes with 2 quality eyepieces, 25mm and 10mm, and features a manual Altazimuth mount with slow-motion controls for fine-tuning. Backed by Celestron's legendary warranty and support, the StarSense Explorer DX130AZ removes the single biggest barrier for beginners, finding things to look at, and pairs it with serious optical performance. For anyone who wants to dive deep into astronomy with confidence from the very first night, this is the ultimate choice.